sarili natin yung alagaan natin to follow the community way of life. Second, I'd like to thank God that Jeff and I are very good friends even before we entered into a serious relationship. You have been a very good friend to me. Alam natin lahat na si Jeff, parang likod na bata, maingay, parang bata, parang pero bilang kaibigan, marunong siyang makinig. He listens with his heart. Parang alam natin, marami din naman sa atin nakaka-experience how he is as a friend. Alam natin maaasahan siya para pag meron lang kailangan na kausap. Ganun din ako kay Jeff. Talaga nung mga times na may problema ko, even before kami nasa relationship, natatrust ko siya sa mga problema ko. He's a good listener. We can talk about anything because we're already comfortable with each other, like yung sabi mo at least tayo sa isa. And being a good friend, you know how to comfort me when I'm down. When my dad suffered a stroke last year, you were there for me and my family. You were always there to take care of Papa. Kahit nga yung mga nurse, diba, sa hospital, hinahanap ka na sa akin pag wala ka, sanay sila nakikita ka lagi. So, like to honor you talaga dahil you know how to comfort me. Alam mo na I don't need that time, parang ang mas kailangan ko is your presence, not words of encouragement or hindi mo kailangan magpatawa sa akin. I just needed you to be there beside me, hold my hand, and just offer your shoulder for me to cry on. And you did that for me. Be there for me. Yeah, so I'm really